Hi, Kevin here. Today we're going to fix a Mexican cabbage salad. Now, I had never heard of such a salad until a viewer named Betty Vorley left a comment under my chicken quesadillas video. And Betty said she was going to make the quesadillas and serve them along with a Mexican cabbage salad. So I looked up the salad and found a recipe from Mama Appetite's Kitchen. And the ingredients looked so wonderful that I really couldn't wait to try the salad. So we're going to make it right now and we'll see how it goes. Okay, now I'm going to link the video from Mama Appetite's Kitchen in the description box below, so I hope you'll check that out. So the first ingredient is, of course, cabbage. She said half a head of cabbage, and I did weigh this, and it is 615 grams or 22 ounces. And I finally shredded the cabbage with a knife. So I'm going to throw this into a big mixing bowl. Then you add 1 red onion, and I just thinly sliced this into half moons. And they go. Then add, well, she said 1 cucumber. I'm using a hothouse cucumber, and I diced it, just roughly diced it. So in it goes. And then, since this is a Mexican dish, you want to add a bunch of roughly chopped cilantro. Now, I used to hate cilantro when I was younger, and then suddenly one day I fell in love with cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, well, you could substitute parsley. Yeah, it's very weird how you can not like something when you're younger and then suddenly fall in love with it later on in life. Okay, now I'm going to make a quick dressing to go on the salad. All right, for the dressing, Mama Appetite used the juice of 3 limes. And I juiced the limes right into this bottle. And here's a tip. When you're juicing limes, put them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. That will loosen up the juices. And then squeeze them in one of these Mexican citrus squeezing gadgets. That way you'll get all the juice. This is about a half cup or 100 ml of lime juice. And to the lime juice, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm just going to eyeball that here. So that's 1, and this is 2 tablespoons. Then add 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. We also need a half teaspoon of garlic powder. And then put the lid on. You could do this in, a canning jar, any jar with a lid. Is this the right lid for this? No. I'll put that lid on my bottle of lemon pepper and give it a good shake. Now, she said that her lemon pepper contains salt, but I looked at the ingredients on this bottle. It contains no salt, so I'm going to add just a pinch. Maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. Give it another good shake, and then pour pour that right over the salad. The smells really wonderful. I love the combination of lime and cilantro. Then give everything a toss, and to make life simple, I'm just going to toss with my hands. And she served this salad on a crispy corn tortilla, like a tostada. And that looked really wonderful as well, so I'm going to do the same thing today. There, we're nicely mixed here. She also said that this salad is wonderful all on its own, or you put it in a taco. Yeah, you could serve it alongside the quesadillas that I made for you the other day, like Betty is going to do. It's a very versatile salad. Okay, now I'm going to transfer this to a prettier bowl. All right, well, a pretty-ish bowl. At least it's clear glass. So you can see all of the colorful ingredients. All right, let me prepare a corn tortilla and I'll come right back. All right, I actually fried up 4 corn tortillas. They should be nice and crisp. Now, what I keep wanting to say Mama Appetito, but it's Mama Appetite. What Mama Appetite did was squeeze some, well, she called it crema, and I don't know what that is, but I'm using sour cream here. And then she put some of this beautiful salad on top. And then she finished it with some hot sauce. And I don't know the kind of hot sauce she used. I'm using this agave red chili hot sauce. I just bought it at the supermarket. No idea what it's like. And I'm not going to put too much on because I don't want to set my mouth on fire. And here we go, a taste. Wow. Holy cow, this is good. It's citrusy. It's fragrant with the cilantro. Another bite. Yum. Okay, this is definitely worth making, however you want to serve it. And I can only imagine how much better it will be after it has been refrigerated overnight. So all of the flavors mingle and mellow. So I hope you'll give this a try. And again, I will put the link to Mama Appetite's recipe in the description box below. I'm like way too close. Let me fix this. Ooh, wrong way. Yeah, I'll put the recipe to Mama Appetite's. I will put the video to Mama Appetite's recipe in the description below. I will also put a link to the chicken quesadillas that I filmed for you the other day in the description box below. Please try those quesadillas. Please try this wonderful Mexican cabbage salad. All right, thanks so much for watching, and hat tip to Betty Vorley for mentioning Mexican cabbage salad. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye-bye.